Want to learn how to tie a figure 8 knot on a bite? Great! By the end of this instruction video you will know how to tie a figure 8 knot on a bite, so keep watching! To make a figure 8 knot on a bite, we first have to make a bite. The size of the bite determines how big your figure 8 loop is going to be. Next, fold the bite. This creates a loop. The tip of the bite is referred to as the working end of the knot. Take the working end and bring it over the standing part of the line. The standing part is the part which I'm holding in my right hand in the video. Next, we continue forming the figure 8 knot on a bite by taking the tip of the bite. This time we go underneath the standing part of the rope. If you stayed with us and did follow the steps correctly, you have ended up with something that looks the same as in the video. This means the figure 8 on a bite is almost finished. To finalize the figure 8 knot, we take the working end and pull it through the loop as shown in the video. Well done! You have tied the figure 8 knot on a bite. The figure 8 knot on a bite is a great midline tie-in point, but of course there are alternatives, like the Alpine butterfly knot. Check out the related video on how to tie the Alpine butterfly loop.